Okay, let's start off the holidays with a cranberry orange bread. As you can see, I've got the dry ingredients just about ready to go. First thing you want to do, though, is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you want to get 2 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and give this a little mix. After you've given that a little mix, you want to add roughly 1/4 of a cup of semi-melted butter. You don't want to completely melt it, just somewhat in the middle. Put on the attachment and let this kind of mix for about a minute or so, or until it's incorporated, whichever comes first. I may have forgot to mention something to add to the dry ingredients, and that's 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, so then you want to add 3/4 of a cup of orange juice and 1 egg that has been beaten. And then you want to add the zest of 1 orange. Reattach the handle and mix until incorporated. Okay, as you can see, it's all well mixed and incorporated. Unfortunately, you can't see this as well, but I took a cup of cranberries and chopped them up in my mini food processor here. And so you want to add the entire cup. They will be kind of sticky, so you're going to have to work a little bit at it. Then you'll want to give this a good stir, and stir until everything is mixed and incorporated, or whatever you want to call it. Then into a greased loaf pan, you just want to pour the batter in. And then you want to bake this for 60 to 75 minutes. Now, I did mine, and at the hour mark, it was done. So, but basically the way you tell if your bread is done is basically put a knife in it. If it comes out clear, it's done. If it's got a bunch of runny shit on it, then give it an extra, go about 5-minute increments, basically. Then you just want to smooth it out a little bit here. And like I said, pop it in for 60 to 75 minutes. Like I said, mine got done at the hour mark. In fact, I probably could have pulled it at the 55-minute mark. And after an hour, there you go. So that's cranberry orange bread. Done.